I would like to know your opinion that what do you
Yeah,
think about kids are not being able to go to school because of this entire phase change in the education system. We have shifted from offline mode to online mode.
basically, it's not our control,
Right.
not under the government control, because
Mm-hmm.
the situation is not in our hand. It's only depend on the environment. So basically, the small child are can get affected more easily because their cells are not well, uh, uh, not their cells are not well powerful to fight with bacteria and other
Right.
viruses. So we should keep them inside.
Mm-hmm.
And one thing we can do, that we uh, send to the school that
Okay. Right.
nearby our. Basically, it will really help.
Mm-hmm.
And second most important, that it will also help us to child to socialize with a nearby children,
Yeah, they can
not with
socialize,
a
but they
far
okay.
distance
Okay, you go first.
far distance
Mm-hmm.
uh, uh, with a far distance.
Right.
When they and most important thing, I think so that we should go to school nearby school, not the school that is 13, 12 kilometers away.
Okay.
Basically, we should all get one certificate from CBSE. It's
Okay.
written only the school name,
Right.
nothing else written. It's written that this child was got X percentage in the 10 board from CBSE Central Board of Certification, not from
Okay.
the Radiant, Delhi Public School.
Correct.
This also helps in the children. This money, if you save this money, this will help to the future education of the children.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So what I'm talking about here is that, kids being familiar with the classroom setup. So
Yeah.
they are not really aware of the fact that how a classroom runs, or what are the, like, a teacher teaching in the class in front of you with a whiteboard or a blackboard uh, behind them. So they have never really experienced such a thing. So do you think it's important, and you have done offline classes and now you're doing
Yeah.
online classes both. So
Yeah.
what is, do you miss something about your classes, like when it used to be offline? Was it more fun, or you're enjoying these online sessions now?
And basically, in online session, you can't talk with your friends. There is so much apps and edtech companies are
Mm-hmm.
there which are uh, updating their system to make a feel like a classroom. They started a
Correct.
video call with a
Mm-hmm.
teacher in the live classes.
Correct.
They started a board class, any whiteboard classes where teacher write with pen,
Okay.
write with them on the board, and it will come
Correct.
to your system. Um, and if the student, if any children will given a room that you will study here, and you don't have to move from one place to another till the class,
Mm-hmm.
and the teacher has and teacher also need to maintain the routine,
Correct.
not they if they want a if they want a class in a 1 p.m. They take a class at 1 p.m. They want a 9 p.m. at night, they take a class at 9 p.m. They if they maintain the class in a routine, in a proper manner, uh, it will really help the children. It will bring a little classroom like manner in the children's mind. After when they go to the classroom, they will not a physical classroom. They don't have to add more adjust. They don't have to
Okay.
adjust more.
Okay.
Yeah, that's one.
All right. So, another question comes to my mind. And it's like quite an interesting question. So, were you a backbencher or a front bencher?
I'm sick always in the
Front bencher?
back. Um, no,
Backbencher.
no,
Okay,
backbencher.
great. Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. So is there something about the backbenchers? Because I've always loved the front bench. Somehow, I don't know. But I have somehow been a front bencher, and I would love to sit right in front of my teacher and just grab all their attention. So this is how I used to be. But what about you? Like uh,
And the
what
most
did you enjoy
interesting,
the most about being a backbencher? Like what is the most interesting fact?
most interesting thing getting done
Nothing.
with all the
I
friends.
have something in my mind that
Where,
I used to see all my friends. They would share their lunch boxes somewhere in the middle of the class, and they would eat, and they would all of a sudden start laughing about a topic, or like just
yeah,
do some sort of mischiefs that would irritate the teacher, and in return they will get punished. So
when,
this was a habit somehow.
yeah,
They do
yeah.
it, right? People do it.
Basically, you are the interesting fact you don't know. The front bencher got to 95%. Yeah,
Yeah, you can say that.
hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. Go on.
The front bencher got 92 to 90. The front bencher got 90 to 95%.
Okay, that is true. That is true to an extent.
Backbencher and for the board exam, you would study for approximate 1 month. He minimum 88%, 88 to 90% he got. He will got 88 to 90%.
Okay.
It's not a dumb. If not he's a dumb. If not he's a dumb, he will get
That is
88 to
good.
90%.
I mean, that's not bad at all, isn't it?
Yeah. Why I will study whole year and then get 92
And
95%, and after that,
yeah, I've seen people
and
even crying
and if
over
I study,
90%. Like, it makes
yeah,
sense. There are still students who would cry over 90% or even 90 plus, anything above 90. So,
I got 88% in IPS report,
oh my God, that's great.
and 2%, and in 2% I lagged behind because of Hindi. My Hindi is so much clear. I
Okay.
can't explain the story. In the examination hall, my seat is front.
Okay.
The teacher, the auxiliary teacher which come to our school, so my bench is first, so I'm writing Hindi. Suddenly what happened, I started writing in English. I didn't know. The counselor tell what you're doing. Then I will cut my paper and I will
Okay.
go. In the Hindi examination, there is a total 10 questions. You have to attempt the uh, 6 questions. But
Okay.
I attempt the fully 10 questions, 10, full 10 questions. In spite of that, I only got 60 marks.
Okay. All right. But for the examination, I know like uh, it would be a nightmare for a backbencher to get a front bench for the examination, like only for the examination, during the examination,
No,
I mean.
no,
So,
for the boards, all will be serious. In the boards, all will are serious.
okay.
All are serious.
Yeah, it's your luck. It completely depends, like what's you gonna get, and it's not really fixed. I anyways used to get, I remember like
Yeah, it's,
whenever I used to go all prepared, and like that's my favorite subject and I am all set for the examination, I would get a backbench. But God forbid if I don't like a subject,
yeah,
and and I have not really prepared on it, somehow I would get the front bench, and I can do nothing about it, about the exam,
yeah.
and have to just somehow manage to write all the answers. Though I was lucky enough to pass in all my exams.
The bank which only the backbencher will help. Topper will not help.
No, but I've never really been a topper, even being a front bench. I was, you can say that I was amongst top 10, but not a topper, not really a topper. Yeah. I'm being very honest about it. So what, according to you, is illiteracy?
Basically, as per the Indian illiteracy, uh, is a complex of social and economic division,
Okay, great.
because there is so much and there is so much divided in a caste, in technology, in gender. There's so much discrimination in a caste, gender, technology barrier. If you see from Indian side,
Correct.
Indian side, see another model, Delhi model, Kerala model.
Mm-hmm.
They are well educated. If you compare with Japan, England, America, they they got independence 200 years ago, and Japan is a small country, and India illiterate 275 million. Japan doesn't have a population 275 million, I think.
Right.
So it's very difficult. So it's very difficult to manage also. The
Mm-hmm.
government all the government family started, but we uh, in it's our problem that we doesn't want to come out.
Right.
Basically, I give you example that if you the government schools are not good, we can do that. So why should we send the children to the expensive school? Why should we send the children? Because in a board examination you should also get a coaching. You go a coaching. Your neighbor also go a same coaching. And if your neighbor goes to a school which is near to your school, and it's have a more time than you.
Mm-hmm.
It's the thing I experienced that. Same coaching you both go, but your neighbor got a more time for preparation of examination, because you have to go 30 kilometer up and
Right.
13 kilometer up and 13 kilometer down,
Correct. Correct.
and the money will also save. And some say that the children would not able to take part in Olympiad, personal development program. All schools offer Olympiad. All schools offer SOF, IMO, and farewell, and SPLB. All the schools do that. It's not that
Right.
only the DPS, Radiant, and that's all the schools do. And second, and it's uh, community program.
Mm-hmm. Very
In our
important.
India, there is no community program and guidance or
Right.
a counselor user or a consultation. After that time, there is so much the student doesn't know what they have to further, which subject they have to choose. They have to go on a economics, they have to go on a home science, they have to go on a medical, engineering. There is no one to guide us.
Mm-hmm. Right.
So there should be on a guidance which is available. Uh, we are only assuring the Western world, not education. We are only affecting with the Western world, not with education. I think so.
Right.
I think so. And if someone is knowledgeable, if someone has a knowledge, then it will be distributed by other government,
Mm-hmm.
other foreign companies.
Right.
It's from another. Many of them are an example that using in USA, Europe also. They are most knowledgeable. The government won't able to bring them back.
The government
You
is not
also
able to.
know the popular government not able to. Uh, you hear the most popular dialogue of Bill Gates that he will not recruit Indians to their Microsoft. Another Microsoft will build up in India.
Right.
You listen. That's a fact.
Okay.
That's all fact that we are still illiterate.
Right. So, illiteracy doesn't really mean there's a lot of difference between educated, being educated, and you know uh, being literate. So you may have the
Yeah,
education, but again, having said that, how efficiently are you utilizing that education, right? So it's very important that whatever lessons we've learned or whatever values do we have, we inculcate them in our life. So that is also a
Yeah, moral science
correct,
as well.
correct. So we won't really get into the morality side, but yeah, that was just a general discussion that I wanted to have with you, and to give a feedback about the same. It was great. Like the opinion that you shared was really nice, and you just have to keep talking to make it better. The more you
Yeah,
practice, it's already going great. Okay, because you have this urge of expressing yourself, your thoughts in English, so you are doing it. Just keep doing it for the betterment. I mean, the more you do it, the better it gets.
yeah,
So yeah, that's it. And for the next session we can always go ahead and discuss a topic. So we would be doing a sort of debate, we can say. So it could be either the education system or illiteracy. So I'm really, excited about, your opinion on Meta and this virtual platform. So let's connect tomorrow
yeah.
again and we'll take it from there. Okay.
Okay.
All right, Sakib. Thank you so much for connecting. It was lovely talking to you, and I'll see you tomorrow again. Okay.
Thank